In addition to our bicycle funnel buying journey model of selling, we have something called the 5-step process that fixes what was broken many years ago when I developed this, and what I think to some degree is still broken today, the biggest problem in sales training, and that is getting training to stick. I could never get it to stick early on in my sales training career, even though we were providing really good training and even providing some coaching. So what we found that works is this 5-step model. The 5-step model basically starts out with collaborating with the client in designing a custom bicycle funnel buying journey model. This is the foundation. You can't proceed, you can't pass go and collect $200 without doing this. We then, in step 2, design some policies and procedures in how this model is going to be used. Number 3, we then do some training because we have some transfer of concepts and words and phrases that need to be done. Number 4, we do coaching training. We make sure that the frontline sales managers are very well equipped to conduct a very specific kind of conversation that's part of this 5-step process, which is called the funnel audit. This is a one-on-one manager to sales rep conversation. It only takes 60 minutes, and you do it once a month, 60 minutes once a month, to discuss the health of the pipeline, which leads us to the final step, step 5, the funnel audits. So we have clients that have been doing these funnel audit conversations monthly for 12 years. It's become part of their sales process, non-optional. It's the way they run the business and communicate around the health of their pipeline. So if you want to learn more about the 5-step process, you can download our white paper on the bicycle funnel and 5-step process. You can pick up a copy of the Funnel Principle book, or you can contact me directly. Call me at 614-571-8267, or check out our website, www.breakthrough-sales.com. I look forward to talking to you.